The world is changing rapidly. Safety, intelligence and efficiency will become the main theme of the industry. Shanghai Jiuzhou Intelligent Equipment Co. Limited. National High-Tech Enterprises. The leader of metal detector checkweigher and weigh price labeling manufacturer. Weight combination, sorting, data output, printing, labeling production line solutions. Cooperate with filling, packaging, scanning, X-ray, visual detection, company to build the smart workshops. Free sample testing, professional quotation, fast delivery with good after service. Thanks for watching.